Hey everybody, Nate Lee here. I'm just standing out in my yard in the rain here in Rhode Island. I really like the rain here. I grew up in Texas, and there rain means there might be a tornado, probably be a tornado. Big thunderstorms. Here there's a lot of nice gentle rain. I really like to watch it on the leaves in the forest that's by my house. So you'll see me walking around here in the rain a lot. Anyway, I've got a new course out, a new workshop. I'm really excited about it. It's called The Perfect Practice Plan. And it's for mandolin and fiddle players, although if you don't play either of those, you can still come to class and learn it. You'll still get a lot out of it. But it's aimed at mandolin and fiddle players, and it's going to happen October 2nd, 9th, and 16th. All of those at 8 p.m. Eastern. So 3-session live online class like my others. So many of you that watch this channel have been to those, so thank you for coming to those. I really appreciate it. So this class is something that our music community really needs. There's a lot of tips and tricks out there, things you can even find on this YouTube channel that are really nice and useful. But as you've noticed, if you've been combing the internet for all kinds of cool stuff, that it never seems to come together into a coherent practice plan. And I've taught over 8,000 private lessons in my career, and something that almost every student who's ever come to me for a lesson has asked is, can you help me put together a practice plan? It's usually the first thing that comes out of their mouth. I need a practice plan. Please help me. I don't know if I'm doing things right. I put a lot of time and money into my hobby, and I just don't even know if what I'm doing is going to get me anywhere. And so we do that. We make a practice plan that works for them. Now, recently, I polled a bunch of enthusiastic, diligent music learners, and I asked them on a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you that you're practicing correctly? Over 80% of them answered with 5 or less, and that's not great. These are people who are really into their hobby and put a lot of time into it. They may take lessons, they go to workshops, they watch YouTube, all of that stuff, but they're just not confident that they're practicing correctly, and that's just really normal. So if that's how you're feeling, that's how most people feel, even diligent music learners. So I decided to take all of the things that I do to help my private lesson students build a custom practice plan and put it into a 3-session live online workshop to show you everything you need to know to create a custom practice plan. Now, this isn't going to be like practice books, and there's a lot of practice books I like, the Practice of Practice and things like that, and they're great. You should definitely read them. There's a loud car going by. All right, you should definitely read them, but this class is not going to be like that. This class is going to be geared toward helping you make a practice plan that works for you, so it's not generic at all. You're going to use worksheets to figure out what your learning style is and what your goals really are. And then we're going to look at what the master skills are behind that you need to go out and successfully practice so that you can take some shortcuts straight to the things that are going to help you play the way you want to play and skip over the stuff that is fluff or that just plain doesn't work that you'll often find in practice advice. Now, there's lots of tips and tricks out there, but you don't need tips and tricks. You need a plan, and I'm going to help you make a plan. So you're going to have a custom plan complete with homework that you're going to do in between classes, actual playing homework, and you're going to play your instrument in class. You're going to actually practice in class as I guide you through what to do. We're going to look at exactly how you would take a song you're learning and memorize it, or exactly how you would take a song that you already know and make it sound really good so that you can play the way you want to play. Now, if you'd like a little extra help, you can sign up as a VIP, and VIPs get a 20-minute private lesson with me to go over your practice plan or your goals or talk about anything you want. You'll also get a video review of all your workbook materials. You'll send me your finished workbook sheets, and I'll go through it and make sure that you did everything right and let you know if there's anything that looks like it needs to change and let you know which things you've nailed so that you can confidently go and practice the way that you want to. You can go forth and practice. You'll also get a free item from my store, a hat or a CD or a t-shirt, or there's other stuff too. You can get one free item from the store. So if you're a VIP, you get all 3 of those things. If you sign up before September 25th, you can get early bird pricing. It's $90 for the workshop. If you'd like to be VIP, then it's $165, and you get the extra 20-minute private lesson and the video review and a free item from the store. But either way, whichever way you sign up, you're going to go home with a very clear picture of what to do next. You're going to know exactly what to practice, exactly what your goals are, and exactly how you're going to get there. So the link's below. Sign up right away. Let me know if you have any questions. It starts October 2nd, and the classes are October 2nd, 9th, and 16th, all at 8 p.m. Eastern. and they're going to be all of them recorded, so if you can't make it to every class or any of them, you'll still get videos you can keep forever. All right, reach out if you have questions, sign up now, and I'll see you in class. Bye.